Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we have to use law of sine to find the third side of the triangle. So, in this condition, we will use law of sine, which is equal to sine A over small a, sine B over small b, and sine C over small c. So, we have to calculate this side. So, this will become small b, and this will become small c. So, sine capital B over small b equal to sine capital C over small c. So sine capital B equal to 46 over B. We have to calculate the side. Sine C equal to 46 plus 40 equal to 86, and we know that the internal angle of triangle is 180. So 180 minus 86 equal to 94. So this is our 94 angle. So use it here. C equal to 94 and the small c equal to 20 centimeter. So just rearrange this equation in such a way this sine 94 is multiplying here. So in denominator we write it here sine 94, and 20 is denominator. Then after shifting from equal to the other side, 20 will be nominator, and sine will become here 46. X will move to the other side because we have to calculate the value of x, so it should be written as separately. So 20 over, after calculating the value of sine 94 from calculator, the value is 0.9975 multiplied with sine 46 equal to 0.7193. By dividing this and multiply with the 0.7193, the final answer will become 0.7207 multiply with this 20. The final answer will become 14.42. This is our final answer, 14.42. For such interesting videos, subscribe MALogics channel. If you have such question like about this, so openly ask from me in comment section. I will respond to you.